Daylight come and me want go home. Work all night and a drink a rum. Daylight come and me want go home. Stack banana till the morning come. Daylight come and me want go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana.
Daylight come and me won't go home.
Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me won't go home. Live 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot man.
Daylight come, me won't go home for real.
Let's go home.
So whether you like cornmeal or hominy corn, which I don't know what is hominy corn, or peanut porridge. It's a breakfast staple for most Jamaicans. So this morning, Sim and I will attempt to make banana porridge.
What? This water is going fast.
Tell the people what we need. Tell the people, because I don't drink porridge. You drink or you eat porridge? Where do you eat porridge?
Well, it depends on the pleckiness of it. Sometimes it's very plecky and you feel like you have to
like the
cut
water
through. Something's going to happen this morning.
What you must do? All right, you just tell me what to do.
I can't tell you what to do because I don't know what to do. Wait, no, let's just declare. Usually when we get in this kitchen, it's a problem. But none of us know how to make porridge.
Read it and I will do it.
I'm going.
I will do it.
So we need 3 bananas.
I can just take it out in my hand.
Is your hand clean?
I just wipe it off after I do the clean nastiness.
Go on, wash your hands. Okay, wait.
Only I use 2.
Never. Never. Can you just never wait? Never.
Take it back out. What we do?
You can't listen.
But you are supposed to tell me what you do.
I'm trying, but you're running ahead of me. So can you are we working as a team or no?
We are working as a team.
Okay. Wash green bananas to remove dirt or airy foreign matter. Too late.
It wash.
Cut off the tips. Done. Slowly slide your thumb along the incision. Done.
Yeah.
Chop the bananas into small pieces.
Okay. Chop.
And then place them. Jesus.
Did
you see you almost cut off my face a while ago?
I know what I did. What when you chop it on?
Here. Borrow this nutty egg.
Where's that must you know?
Cut them into small pieces.
Oh, small must be the pieces.
Just put them in, cut it into about 10. And then put them into air. Is this blender working?
It's so light that I work for real. Yes. Me like this. Folks, this is going to be the greatest part.
Then we're going to add flour. Why is my phone blowing up in the middle of the show?
And put it where? In here?
Yes.
Everything perfect.
Ready?
Wait
and now blend it.
Then I put nothing this night.
Wait, no.
No water, no nothing.
Yes. Great. Wait. What are we doing wrong?
Water.
Wait. Place them into the blender. Oh, add the flour. And half a cup of water.
You know, said this by the time we reach.
This looks like a lot of flour. This part is going to be the best part anybody has ever had in their life. So. Did I tell you that night that Neverland I have ever made porridge?
See the water right here.
So bring it on there.
Me won't go home. How much water?
It's like it's going to bind up somebody. You know?
How much water?
Go on.
How much water?
We're winging it anyway. Just flang in as much as you think.
Flang.
Stop.
I stop.
Ready?
Yeah. I like it already. Look like you want more water, sir. Like you want more water.
I don't know how thick it's supposed to be, though.
You want more water.
Wait! I lick it oops. Is drinks we're making? Is banana drinks or banana porridge? All right, I trust you guys.
I don't know why, but Farrah just kissing people.
It says it's supposed to go for about 2 minutes now. Don't touch the pot. Don't make nobody make you touch the pot. Until it's smooth. There's supposed to be more water in that pot.
I must don't know.
You're following the instruction. It said 2 minutes. right,
So-
until smooth. Is it smooth?
It's smooth.
It's not smooth.
I don't know if Ferran kiss him teeth because we don't know what we're doing or the instructions. What
I
we
think
do.
he's
But
discussing
Ferran
with
just goes
Arbor them who claim that they know everything.
Just walk.
Wait. This needs to come off. No, wait.
I have it. I told you I have
Go
it.
on now.
Where you doing this?
Shove it into the saucepan.
Throw it in there?
Into the pot.
Throw this in there?
Throw it into the pot and then stir. Removing any lumps.
You sure?
Throw it into the water. Stir fastly. I hope Auntie Faye is not watching this. This is the worst.
No, this is good. The last time I did this, everybody eat for about 3
It looked like pot water.
No, man, this is good.
No, that's
Turn
not,
up
it's
back
not
this
thick
little bit.
enough.
It's not supposed to be thick. We don't want a lumpel still skin.
No, but it...
Eh?
Wait, let the banana. So you're going to stir it. No,
Oh,
no.
hold on, no. See, lumpel there.
Jesus Christ.
Lumpel still skin is there.
You have to think it out. We need a fork.
I am
Whatever
getting out
fork.
lumpel still skin, Don't worry.
Let I help you with the lumpiness. So you go one way, I go another way. Just catch them and just squish out them.
Yeah, but we squish out all of them. This is easy.
This is not... Ooh.
I'm telling you, we need some little nutmeg and sugar
Nothing
and
egg.
thing.
Wait, you have to wait a little bit until it boils proper.
now.
Wait. Stop clashing with my spoon, would you, please?
See?
Wait. Never look. All right, let's put them on.
Ferran, why you kiss it? Seriously? Is we doing something wrong?
Of course, we're doing
What we are
something
doing
wrong. Do we ever do anything right
So
in the
Ferran just
kitchen?
tell me no instead just over there laugh after me.
But actually, this is looking quite... Farron, come here, let us show you something. Come here now.
Ferran just tell me
Farron,
no.
come here now, man.
I'm fair, you know why I'm vexed because last time I make my little breakfast you enjoyed, so I
Let the
don't know
banana
why
porridge simmer, then sweeten and flavor with the remaining ingredients. So we need a little sugar, a little nutmeg, all this.
We have
We
put
don't
in
have-
all of this, don't it?
Oh, but we don't have a lot
Don't
of
put in
time.
all of this?
I wouldn't put in all that. No, don't, jeez. No, never. This is...
Oh, no, don't worry. This is going to be the greatest porridge in the world.
We're supposed to be clean to prevent diabetes. I say drop that whole thing in there.
I know
We
it
can't
get
put
lumpy.
we can't put any condensed milk in there then.
No, we don't have the condensed.
Wait, you need nutmeg.
We need
You
nothing.
need a tops of vanilla too. Wait,
A tops?
a tubes.
That good, that good.
Wait.
That good.
Okay, go on now. Daylight cup. This is going to be the best
I think so.
ever.
What else we need?
A little nut.
Ferran, what we are doing?
Go on. No, this is the right shot we're doing.
Ferran still alive after we over.
Nutmeg, Nev. You know about nutmeg.
I know about it.
What is what white thing? Oh, smell that. Ooh, I would actually drink some of that.
Ladies and germs, and a beer
Is what?
lump, a beer lump
Oh, we
in
don't
this
need no milk. Why we need milk in there? The porridge look like it don't cook.
Yeah.
Why we need milk? Why do we need the milk?
Hold on, that's
This is our, this
wait,
is
no,
porridge. Wait. Let's put a little cinnamon into there. This is porridge a la
wait no.
Simbel.
Put some more cinnamon.
No, that's good. It smells good.
It smells. Oh, cinnamon coming up, people.
Ah.
People, we are inviting all around you to come down.
Wait.
Because we have about 40 lump.
What?
Each one can get
No,
a
we don't
lump.
want any coconut milk in our porridge.
Each one can get a
People,
lump.
should we social media? Should we put coconut milk in there? Into banana porridge? That seems like the porridge of a crisis of identity. Is it coconut or is it banana?
My
No,
mother
you
used to-
can't do
my mother
that.
used to chew it on her.
Bro, you have to cool it first. Cool it first. Take him out from over people in pots.
They don't
You
mind.
can blow into the pot. And then just tip it in your... Okay. But you don't eat porridge, so you're gonna...
Well, folks, it's neither lovely.
You know what? We're in this... We're in this thing together.
How you put too much thing in there,
You're out of there. After you dump 1 gallon of sugar.
then it's supposed to sweet. It's neither lovely nor jubbly. Shoot me too much. Alright, hold on. We are going to...
Whoa!
Ferran, you know me vex you though.
You know what,
Just over
though?
there. It don't taste.
It just need a little more banana.
No, no.
Should I put the other banana
No,
in there?
folks, this should be here. The aroma.
No, it need more banana. No. I know, but it's lacking in the banana flavor. It tastes like it could be
You want me want to know?
sugar porridge.
You want
which
to
is
know? How me
never
only fuck
fault.
this for pour it out?
Wait there. No, go on.
Oh, so much lumpy night though.
If you want us to come to your house, we cater for.
Yeah, we are caterers
We're
of
caterers.
banana porridge.
We can make porridge, soup, shakes, and other healthy meals. Why
I have
Jody
one
mean by
question.
no?
How are going to lift up that with it hot? And
Jody,
to pour
if you
in
are
there?
in a desert for 6 days, that's much better. And you came out of the desert starving, would you not have a bowl of this? What do you mean no? Jody, come and taste it. Come here, no, Joe. Jody, come here. You're a food tester. Come here, Joe. Come here, no, Joe. Come, Joe. And be honest. Be honest.
Man, lovely
Joe,
jubbly.
be honest. Come. Jody, be honest.
This actually tastes
Jody,
good.
look at my face. Look at my face, Joe. Joe, be honest. Jody.
Honesty is not always the
Jesus
best policy.
Christ. Anyway, me want a bowl. It's
But
nice.
me just know how me lift it up.
Want a cup. You don't lift, you can't lift it unless you have a...
How me put it in there? Scoop it up with the
just- you
spoon?
can't do it until we get a towel from the kitchen.
Towel. But we need more than one towel.
No, you don't. Just use the handle of one and the towel on the other side and you're good to go. No. You have it. Jeez, do you make the finished product look so disgusting? Never, jeez, Nev! It's bad already. Why you never put it down?
Wait, no, this happened to the greatest chefs
I'm
in life.
coming
You
out
just
of
go
this
so
business.
and clean up
But
with
look
this
at the
side.
inside of the bowl. Look like you're spitting
No, but
there.
nobody not seen that.
Yes,
Well,
we're
we-
going to have a close-up. Can't look like you spit up into the bowl. Ladies and gentlemen, we will cater your functions. We're called Smell
Ferran,
Catering Services.
Ferran.
What you calling Ferran for?
Soft man, come taste this. Come here, no, Soft.
Never, oh God, never. Don't do it
Soft
to
man, come here.
Never, don't do it to anybody
Come
else.
here.
Don't do
Let
it to
me
anybody
have a
else.
spoon here.
Never, don't,
Soft man.
Never done enough
Come.
damage. Don't do it to Soft man.
Because Soft man, you couldn't give me a
Soft
bigger
man is our
spoon than
friend.
this. You couldn't
No,
give
the
me a
other
bigger
two I use. Give him that one. On a scale of 1 to 10, Soft man, tell us how good that is.
Taste the something.
No, man.
You're going to taste it this morning whether you want to or not. Taste it. Yeah.
No, man.
Ah!
All right. Yeah, the man said not bad.
Jody
And
just
Soft man know
wicked.
all of this.
Jody's just wicked. Well, we did good, guys. Never, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you very much.
Well
Oh, my
done.
parish look nice.
Call us to cater your
Ferran, I'm vexed
function.
this still, you know. Ferran.
1-888-SIMBELL.
No, use the spoon and taste
She
it.
doesn't want any more now.
Look at that.
We've already traumatized her.
Isn't that nice? Look, my parish don't look smooth, people.
Okay.
Smooth.
Shauna, do we wrap this up? Jeopardy question?
No, we're not wrapping up nothing.
For bonus points, never dare you to eat that entire bowl of porridge. It's delicious.
You know, the only reason I don't eat it is my belly full. My belly really full.
Cause your belly was full?
My belly full.
Of gas?
If my belly never full, all right, it's not a problem.
Have it all and then show them the empty bowl when we come back from break.
It is getting nicer by the second. You know, it just need a little bit more sweetening.
I put the milk in there and you was tracing me.
All right, we're so
That's
come
enough.
here. I might be in the bathroom with Say Paris.
See Nora, she's a sensation.
My mother is probably disowning me as we speak.
Hi, guys.
All right, Jeopardy question, folks, for bonus points. Hey, first of all, that's not how you spell her name. Who feeds Erin? Obviously, Miss Etta. Oh, my Child, I don't want it to be sick, so I'll leave it to somebody who does it well.
Miss Etta get boss.
Miss Etta.
Miss Etta get boss.
Miss Etta does it.
My porridge tastes good, only can say.
It's not bad, actually.
It is not bad.
It's
it is
not
good.
bad.
I don't know how they can.
All right, folks. Simone Walkabout saves the day after this. Maybe she can do this like the right way.
Can you taste my porridge, please?
Shake your body line. Work, 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 Sinora.